Who did you contact? In which form did you contact that agency or the WorldCoin? Was it on the telephone? Was it on the WhatsApp? Was it on the internet?
Why were they taking this iris scan? Where were they taking them? What for? Was there a consent form before somebody was taken the scan?
The Office of the Data Commissioner is a regulatory bound by the provision of the Data Protection Act, which doesn't envisage agreements between the office and data controllers and data processors. Therefore, there was no agreement between the Office of the Data Protection Commissioner and WorldCoin on the modalities covering the data collected.
Kenyans would be keen to know if there is a distinction between the format and manner in which WorldCoin is collecting data and the data that exists as biometrics in other existing apps that Kenyans are using.